This is Vijay Kumar, Math faculty. Heartily welcome to my channel, Vedic Brilliant Math Educator. Today we are going to discuss real numbers, class 10, exercise 1.5, problem number 5. In the previous video, we have seen how to expand the logarithms using x and y values. In this session, we are going to discuss if x square plus y square equal 25xy, then show that 2 times of log x plus y equal 3 times of log 3 plus log x plus log y. Click this I button to learn introduction to real numbers and learn from beginning of exercise number 1. Exercise 1.5, problem number 5. If x square plus y square equal 25xy, then prove that 2 times of log x plus y equal 3 times of log 3 plus log x plus log y. For this problem, I am following 4 methods. Which method is easy to you? You can follow that method. So let us start our solution. This is method number 1. So this one, given that I am taking, given that x square plus y square equal 25xy. Here in this, 2 times of log x plus y equal to 3 times of log 3 plus log x plus log y. In this LHS I am taking, RHS I am proving. So LHS, what is LHS here? 2 times of log x plus y. So 2 times of log x plus y, it is of the form log x power n. So log x power m, what is the formula? M log x. It is m log x model it is. So we need to write log x power n. So log x power n to the base a equal m log x to the base a. That equal log x means x plus y whole power, m means 2. So it is of the form a plus b whole square. Already you know that formula, a plus b whole square. You learnt in the small classes. So log a square means x square plus y square plus 2xy. That equal log. So this one you can take, equation number 1 you can take. Given one you can take x square plus y square equal, you can take x square plus y square equal 25xy. You can take equation number 1. So once you have to observe here, x square plus y square. So instead of x square plus y square, we can write 25xy or not. So from equation number 1 to I am writing. So 25xy plus 2xy. Since equation number 1. That equal log 25xy plus 2xy. Both are like terms. Both are like terms means we need to add 25 plus 2, 27xy. 27xy. Now again one more property. What is the property? Which property we have to use here? Yes, that is the product property. So what is that one? Log xy to the base a equal log x to the base a plus log y to the base a. So here 3 terms are there. 3 terms means we need to write 3 terms. So log x to the base a plus log y to the base a plus log z to the base a, like that we need to write. So here I am writing log x means 27, y means x, z means y. So log 27 plus log x plus log y. 27 plus log x plus log y. 27 we can write in the power notation. So 27, how we have to write it? 3 into 3, 9. 9 into 3, 27. Means 3 cube we can write. So that equal log 3 cube plus log x plus log y. So it is of the form. Here one more rule, here we need to follow here one more rule. What that rule? That is the power rule. So what is the power rule? Already you know. Yes, that is log x power n to the base a equal m log x to the base a. That equal m log x to the base a means, so m value is 3 log 3 plus log x plus log y. So 3 log 3 plus log x plus log y means it is RHS or not. So what we took here, LHS we took, we got the RHS value. LHS value, what is that one? 2 times of log x plus y equal 3 times of log 3 plus log x plus log y. So LHS equal RHS. So LHS equal RHS, hence proved. Hence proved. Now this is method number 1. Method number 1 in here in this second term in LHS we took, RHS we got. Now method number 2, same as this way, RHS you have to take, RHS 2 you can go back. So step by step we can go back. Means RHS, what is the RHS? 3 log 3 plus log x plus log y. 3 log 3 plus log x plus log y. Here it is of the form m log x. M log x to the base a means log x power n, means that we can get log 3 cube plus log x plus log y. So here reverse order we are taking, means that is the method number 2. That is method number 2. Method number first one and second one it is completed. Now we will go with method number 3. Dear students, if you are watching first time of my video, subscribe the channel and share to your friends. Hit the bell icon to get latest updates. So this is the method number 3. So what is method number 3? This total I am taking means 2 times of log x plus y equal 3 times of log 3 plus log x plus log y. This total I am taking, this one I am proving. Okay, this is the method number 3. Method number 4 in this one I am taking, this one I am proving. So method number 3 you can see here, 2 log x plus y equal 3 log 3 plus log x plus log y. Log x plus log y. Now here it is of the form, which model it is, which rule we can apply here. If you know the how we can apply the rules, it is easy to you. So it is m log x to the base a. M log x to the base a means log x power n. So log x power n to the base a equal m log x to the base a. M log x to the base a. So that equal log x plus y whole square equal log 3 cube plus log x plus log y. log 3 cube plus log x plus log y. Now here log same as this only LHS I am taking same as this log x plus y whole square equal log this value 3 cube. 3 cube means already you know 3 we can take 3 times 3 into 3 into 3 3 into 3 9 9 into 3 27. So 27 plus log x plus log y. You just have to observe here this is log x plus log y plus log z model. So we can apply product rule. So what is the product rule? Log xy to the base a equal log x to the base a plus log y to the base a, that equal log x plus y whole square equal log x means 27, y means x, z means y, means log x plus y whole square equal to 27 xy. Both sides you have to cancel the log. So we cancel the log. What we got here? X plus y whole square equal 27 xy we got it. Here it is of the form a plus b whole square. A square plus b square plus 2ab equal 27 xy. So here I expanded a plus b whole square form. Here RHS as it is I took. So x square plus y square. This 2xy you can transpose to right. So we are transposing means what we can get? 27xy minus 2xy, that equal x square plus y square equal 27xy minus 2xy. 27 minus 2, what we can get? Yes, 25xy. So here 2 times of log x plus y equal 3 times of log 3 plus log x plus log y we took. What we got here? X square plus y square equal 25 xy we got it. This is hence proved. This is the method number 3. So method number 4, one more method, that is last method. That method number 4 I will explain now. So you can learn the properties. What is the just properties? If you are learning the properties, it is very easy to you. Now method number 4. So now method number 4 in x square plus y square equal 25xy I am taking. That one I am taking this 2 times of log x plus y equal 3 log 3 plus log x plus log y I am proving. So here x square, this is given, y square equal 25xy. X square plus y square equal 27xy. So sorry, 25xy, 27 not 25xy. So here we need a plus b whole square. A plus b whole square formula we need. So how we can get? So both sides we are adding 2xy means we can get like that. So add 2xy on both sides. BS means I am taking BS means both sides. So x square plus y square plus 2xy equal 25xy plus 2xy. So now we can see here a square plus b square plus 2ab. So a square plus b square plus 2ab means yes, that is a plus b whole square. X square plus y square plus 2xy means x plus y whole square equal here 25xy plus 2xy. Both are like terms or not? Both are like means we can add. So 27xy. So 27xy we got. Take log on both sides. So you can apply the log on both sides. Take log on both sides. Both sides we are applying. What we are applying? Log. So log x plus y whole square equal log 27xy. 27xy. Here once we have to observe here which property we should use here. Log x power m model it is. X power m. X power m means power rule. So log x power m to the base a equal m log x to the base a. And here which property we should use here? Yes, that is product rule. So log xy to the base a equal log x to the base a plus log y to the base a. Now I am writing here. Here first left side one I am taking power rule, means 2 times of log x plus y equal, here I am applying product rule, log 27 plus log x plus log y. Log x plus log y. So this 27 we can write in the power notation. Power notation, and how we have to write it? As 3 into 3 9, 9 into 3 27. So that equal log 3 cube plus log x plus log y. 3 cube log 3 cube plus log x plus log y. Here again one more rule, that is power rule. Yes. So log x power m to the base a equal m log x to the base a. So this LHS also I am writing here. 2 times of log x plus y equal 3 log 3 plus log x plus log y. Log x plus log y. X square plus y square equal 25xy we took. What we got here? 2 times of log x plus y equal 3 times of log 3 plus log x plus log y we got it. Hence proved. This is the, if x square plus y square equal 25xy, then prove that or show that also. Sometimes they will ask, prove that or show that 2 times of log x plus y equal 3 log 3 plus log x plus log y. It is very important for public examination, board examination for 4 marks. If you have any clarification on this topic, do comment in the comment box. We have seen how to solve if x square plus y square equal 25xy, then prove that 2 times of log x plus y equal 3 times of log 3 plus log x plus log y. In the next video, we will see another problem of same type. Please encourage me by subscribing my channel Vedic Brilliant Math Educator. Like and comment on this topic. Dear students, do you like this video? Please share to your friends. This is Vijay Kumar signing out. Thank you. Thank you very much.